This is a brand new house and you are seeing some cloudy, some dusty look. It's called haze on your shower. The shower is a brand new and they hire us to clean the walls, remove the haze, and after that sealing. Sonia's gonna use the advanced sealers and cleaner. This is a haze removal. We use 1 part of product by 8 parts of water. So this is a concentrated product. And then she's gonna put some water to mix the concentrated product with water and work with this haze removal product. Seeing this dusty look on your new shower walls is very common, especially after a new installation. That happened because the grout, so the material between the lines, is wiped off. So the installers, even though they clean the grout after they install, they leave a film and they try to do the best to remove all the grout, but that happened, and there is some areas where you see that haze. That's called haze. And the product that you need to use is a haze removal. If the installers did that and you have like 2 days after that, maybe you can use some water. If you don't want to use a commercial product, you can mix 50% vinegar and 50 water. With a sponge, just scrub all the area and remember to rinse. Be careful what kind of product you are using. Example, this is a professional product that we were testing over the years. Really good. It's advanced haze removal. But you need to know what kind of surface are you going to clean. If this ceramic, tiles, that's great. But if that's marble, travertine, you need to use a neutral haze removal, especially for stone. Then you have to rinse really, really well all the surface 1-2 times. With a sponge, remove all the product. Rinsing is crucial. And then dry, let it dry, and then use the sealer that you want to use. And you're gonna see the following video how Sonia is gonna seal the tile and grout from the showers and the tub. This is the second bathroom. This is a brand new house, 3 bathrooms in Providence Golf Club in Davenport, Florida. They are building new houses and homeowners, as soon as they get the property, they see some areas that need to take care because they invest a lot of money in the new house. They want to prevent and save their property. So one of the major concerns from these homeowners was to seal all the tile and grout. Homeowners may think that it's a brand new property, everything is clean because the builders give a clean property, right? And they say, I just want to seal all the shower walls and the grout from the floor, the flooring, right? But they don't notice that there is some haze on the surface because they see that it's just dust. But it's not dust, it's haze. It's the residue of the haze or the material they put between the tile after installations. So how you're gonna seal something that is not clean? But some homeowners don't understand that. We take a lot of time to clean the surface, remove the haze, the previous cement on the surface, and try to make the surface smooth and clean and even, and then seal. Because there is no purpose to seal on top of some cloudy film. And it came really good.